Here's Holly. Oh. You gonna get him? Oh, good job. Very nice. Can I have it? Thank you. Come on. Go get it. Come on. Good girl. I have to say, Holly's haircut is stunning. She looks like such a puppy. Come here. Oh, I know. I need that toy. Come here. Come on. Thank you. Get back in. Come on. I know. It's exhausting. Get it. Oh, big jump. Good girl, Mommy. Nice. Very nice job. He's still smiling. Nice laugh. Good job. Can I have that toy? Good. Come here. Ready? Good job. Yeah? Right to me? Good girl, Holly. Where are you going? Oh, one of your friends are leaving from boarding. Come on, kiddo. She's doing awesome. She's a little distracted today. We have a lot of dogs leaving from the holiday weekend and from the extended weekend. So she keeps kind of going to the door to say goodbye. But otherwise, she is getting tired. Good girl. Come here, Holly. Come here, kid. Come on. Good girl. Good job. Good job.